Have you ever wondered what would happen if a massive object from space was heading straight for Earth? Not science fiction. Not a movie. Real. And possibly inevitable. Let's talk about the giants of space asteroids, comets, rogue planets, and even wandering black holes that could change life on Earth forever. Right now, floating in the darkness of space, there are over 30,000 near-Earth objects that NASA is tracking. These are mostly asteroids. Some are the size of cars. Some are the size of football fields. And a few are as big as mountains. In 2019, an asteroid named 2019 OK came terrifyingly close to Earth. It passed by at a distance of just 73,000 kilometers. That's less than a fifth of the distance to the moon, and we didn't even see it coming until just 24 hours before. Let that sink in. A rock the size of a skyscraper almost hit Earth, and we only noticed the day before. But that's not the only one. Asteroid Apophis, discovered in 2004, caused panic when initial calculations suggested it had a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth in 2029. NASA has since ruled out the 2029 impact. But Apophis will pass so close to Earth that it will be visible to the naked eye, closer than our communication satellites. If that doesn't scare you, maybe this will. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was about 10 to 15 kilometers wide. It created a crater 180 kilometers across. It boiled the oceans. It darkened the skies. And it triggered a global extinction. And today, we know that similar-sized objects still exist out there. In fact, there's one named 1950 Dia. It's about 1.3 kilometers wide. And it's on a path that brings it close to Earth in the year 2880. It has a small chance of hitting us. But even a small chance is enough to keep scientists awake at night. And it's not just asteroids. Comets can be even more dangerous. They move faster. They come from farther. And we usually don't see them until they're much closer. Comet Swift-Tuttle is 26 kilometers wide. That's more than twice the size of the dinosaur killer. It's been called the most dangerous object known to humanity. Its orbit crosses Earth's path, and it will pass disturbingly close in the year 4479. Now, imagine something even bigger, a rogue planet, a wandering starless planet ejected from its solar system, drifting through space. Astronomers believe our galaxy could have billions of rogue planets, most of them dark, cold, and nearly invisible. If one were heading toward us, we might not know until it was too late. Even scarier, black holes. A wandering black hole just the size of a city, but with the mass of the sun, could pass by and throw Earth out of its orbit. Or worse, swallow us whole, and we might never see it coming. Sound impossible? In 2022, scientists detected a rogue black hole 5,000 light-years away moving through space. It was only found because of how it bent the light of stars behind it. It was completely invisible otherwise. Space is massive. It's mostly empty. But it's not safe. The good news? We're watching. NASA and other space agencies have built powerful telescopes like NEO-eyes and the upcoming NEO-surveyor to scan the skies for threats. And we've even tested planetary defense. In 2022, the DART mission successfully slammed a spacecraft into an asteroid called Dimorphos, changing its trajectory. It was the first time humanity altered the orbit of a celestial object. A cosmic success. But make no mistake, this is a race against time. Because while we can deflect small asteroids, we still have no idea what to do if something huge is coming. Massive objects in space are real. They're out there, and they're heading our way. Eventually, it may not happen tomorrow, or in our lifetimes. But one day, Earth will face another cosmic visitor. And when that happens, we'll need more than hope. We'll need science, preparation, and maybe a little bit of luck. Stay curious and stay aware. Because space is watching us, just as we watch it.